Are you a woman over 40 or even over 50 like me? If so, have you heard some of those style rules that supposedly apply to us the day we turn 40? I am a woman over 50, and I've been hearing about those style rules that have applied to me since the day I turned 40 for a while now. I want to bash 3 of my favorite rules so I can explain to you why they don't apply to me, and you know what? They don't apply to you either. But be sure to hang out to the very end because there is one rule I will stand by forever, and that one's coming at the end. So hang out to the end so you can find out what one rule I do follow, I always follow, and I hope you'll follow too. Let's do this. Now, one style rule that is commonly passed around for all of us women over 40 is that we are not allowed to show our knees anymore. And that rule simply does not apply to me, and it doesn't apply to you either. And let me tell you why. Because we are normal human beings in the world that have knees. And our knees hopefully work well. I've had surgeries on my knees to make sure they work as well as I possibly could. I'm not embarrassed by them, and I'm not going to let the world tell me I should be embarrassed by them because my knees don't look 22 anymore. Well, nothing of me looks 22 anymore. I don't have to look 22 to be a valid person on the planet, to still matter, to still have worth. I can even be over 50 with knees. And you know what? You can too. Show those knees all you want. Over 40, over 50, I don't care if you're over 90, till the end of days. Show your kneecaps if you want to show your kneecaps and enjoy it. All right, this might very well be the most controversial style rule that I break regularly. So if this is one you stand behind, I do hope we can still be friends because I'm going to continue to break this rule. And this is the rule about leggings. This is the rule that says women, particularly women over 40, 50, whatever, can't go out in public in yoga pants unless their bum is completely covered. And that rule simply does not apply to me. And guess what? It doesn't apply to you either. And let me tell you why. If you've hung out with me here on my channel for just about any length of time, you might know that I do yoga every single day. I have a room in my house dedicated to my yoga practice, but I also go out to a yoga studio several times a week, and that means I do yoga at the yoga studio several times a week. And if you think for 1 minute that I am not going to stop at the grocery store or stop at PetSmart on my way home from yoga because my bum is showing in my yoga pants, then I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you to think about that. Because I am. If I need to go out to PetSmart and pick up something on my way home from yoga, I am going to do that. And I am going to do that with the full knowledge that my bum is not covered up. Well, I mean, my bum is covered. It's covered in yoga pants, but it's not covered in anything beyond the fabric of the yoga pants. And I sincerely hope that does not offend because this has probably been one of the most controversial things I've experienced in my own life. Even some of my own family members are not happy that I would walk around in yoga pants in my own home. I am not embarrassed of the fact that I am a person over 50 years old who has a human body. There, I said it. My human body, including some junk in the trunk, exists. And I'm not going to spend my life trying to pretend that it doesn't. And I suggest you don't either. Now, that doesn't mean for me that I'll wear yoga pants everywhere all the time because I don't feel confident and appropriate in yoga pants or sweats for that matter in a lot of different situations. But it is absolutely appropriate for my yoga practice. And if I need to stop and run a couple of errands on my way home from my yoga practice, I am going to do that, and I'm going to do it in my yoga pants. So if you see me out and about in these yoga pants and you're offended by that, please don't look. Just don't look, because we all have the ability to decide where we go with our gaze. And if this offends you, please just don't look so we can still be friends. It'll be okay. Now, when I was prepping for this video and I was looking to find out what are the most common rules that women are given that apply to their style and how they present themselves to the world the day they turn 40, I came across one that I didn't know was a rule, and I've been over 40 for a long, long time, but I didn't know it was a rule. And I found it on the Land's End website of all places. And according to Land's End, is that women over 40 should only wear minimal jewelry. You should only wear very minimal jewelry that has a lot of meaning to you. And on that rule, I call BS. Like, that is ridiculous. You can wear all the accessories you want over 40, under 40, over 50, over 80, over 90. I don't care how old you are. You can wear all the jewelry accessories you want to wear. Now, I clearly enjoy bracelets. And I also like necklaces, and I like earrings. I like all of this stuff. And while some of the pieces that I wear regularly do have a lot of meaning to me, my earrings were a birthday gift from my husband. Obviously, my engagement ring and wedding ring mean a lot to me. But a lot of this other stuff doesn't mean really anything to me at all. What it is that I like it. And just the fact that I like it and want to wear it is meaning enough. Who is Lands' End, or, anybody for that matter, to tell us that we should only be wearing minimal jewelry because we're over 40? Wear whatever you want. Liking it yourself is reason enough to wear it yourself. So do what you want. Oh, and that just brings another fashion style rule to mind. The rule that you can't mix metals, that one doesn't apply to me either. It doesn't apply to you. You can see I'm clearly wearing gold tone bracelet, a gold tone necklace. My earrings are white gold. My wedding set is white gold. My watch is rose gold, and the bracelets I'm wearing are silver. So I'm mixing all the metals, and I love it. Now, there are 2 style rules that I do believe apply to everybody at every age. And the first of those is that you don't wear white or any kind of shade of white, ivory, a very pale blush pink, even the palest gray, to a wedding. Those colors are reserved for the bride. And if you are not the bride, you do not wear that color to a wedding. If you are the bride, you wear whatever color you want, girl. It's your day. And I don't care if you are over 40 or if you are over 80 or if you're just, 19 when you get married. That is your day. You wear whatever color you want. But everybody else does not wear any shade of white to a wedding, ever. Now, last but not least, the most important style rule I believe applies to everybody at every age, especially to women over 40, is that you wear whatever you feel fabulous in. You wear whatever you feel confident in. You wear whatever you feel appropriate in. When you look at your reflection in the mirror, I want you to feel confident, and I want you to feel love for yourself. I want you to love how you feel in your clothes. I want you to love how you look in the mirror. That's the rule that I think everybody should dress by every day. And if you get no other rule from this video, go with that one. Well, not no other rule. Don't wear white or any shade of white to a wedding. I will stand by that one till the end of days. Now, if you're still here at this point in the video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if that's something you're interested in doing. If not, then no problem, no harm, no foul. You have an open invitation to come back and hang out with me anytime you like, because I will be here, probably right here, making videos because I'm having so much fun doing this. Until I see you in that next video. Bye, y'all.